Hello students, so today this is the last topic of your chapter 10, which is microbes as biofertilizers. Now where are fertilizers used? Fertilizers are used in soil to enhance the quality of soil. So here we will study biofertilizer. Means these are living organisms or microbes which will be used as fertilizers. Now what will these living organisms or microbes do to the soil? These will increase the nutrient content and the soil fertility. So the definition of biofertilizer will be microbes that increase or enhance or enrich the nutrient content and soil fertility. The nutrient content of soil and the soil fertility. This is the example. So it can be any microbe. Example can be any bacteria. It can be fungi and also other microbes. So these are living organisms that will increase the nutrient content of the soil and soil fertility. Means it will ultimately help in the growth of good crops. So in the last class, when we studied the difference between conventional and organic farming, we came to know that in conventional, chemicals are used, in organic, microbes are used. So nowadays, as fertilizer also, microbes are only used. An example, note down the example, these are leguminous plants. In class 11, we studied leguminous plants, which are pulses. These are known as leguminous plants. So in leguminous plants, nitrogen fixation occurs. We have studied root nodule formation. Nitrogen fixation occurs by which bacteria? Rhizobium. Okay, Rhizobium causes nitrogen fixation or the root nodule formation in leguminous plants. Now this rhizobium is a symbiotic bacteria. Now what do we mean by symbiotic bacteria or symbiosis? The rhizobium will help leguminous plants. The leguminous plants also will in return help the bacteria. So they mutually help each other and that relation is known as symbiosis. So this is an example of biofertilizer, rhizobium. Another example, this is symbiotic. So you have to know examples of free living microbes also. As free living, one is Azotobacter. Another one is Azospirillum. One is Azotobacter, another one is Azospirillum. So these are found in soil. These are already present in the soil and they will enhance the soil fertility or enrich the nutrient content of the soil. Okay, how? Because they will perform nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation can be done by rhizobium, which is symbiotic, or also Azotobacter, Azospirillum, which is free living. Next, you have to know another example, which is mycorrhiza. This also you have studied before. This is the association of fungi with roots of higher plants. Okay, so this is also an example of biofertilizer. Association of fungi with roots of higher plants, means these are found in the roots of higher plants. Now mycorrhiza can be again of two types. Ecto, which is found outside, ecto means outside, which is found on the outside the root or on top of the root, and endo, which is found inside the roots. So these two are examples. Next, you have to know the functions of mycorrhiza. So note down the functions. functions of mycorrhiza. Absorption of phosphorus from soil. Absorption of phosphorus from soil. And next is protecting the plant. Protect the plant from drought condition. Okay, from dry condition. From drought. Next is makes the plant disease resistant. Disease resistant. Then again they also help in overall growth of the plant, since they will increase the soil fertility. So they will help in overall growth of the plant. Okay, so these are the functions of mycorrhiza. So this is an example. Next again, in paddy fields. In paddy fields, what do we find? Right here, in paddy fields, we find cyanobacteria. Okay, this also you have heard before, cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Examples of cyanobacteria are nostoc and enabena. Nostoc and enabena. So this cyanobacteria, you have to know the functions of cyanobacteria. One is they will add organic matter to the soil. Add organic matter to soil. Next function is they will increase fertility of soil, which is obvious. Okay. So in this topic, biofertilizer, you just have to remember the different examples. So first we have studied about leguminous plant, then about free living bacteria, is rhizobium, then free living, rhizobium which is symbiotic, then free living bacteria, then about mycorrhiza, and next is cyanobacteria. Okay, so these are different biofertilizers. With this we come to the end of the chapter 10 in zoology, which is microbes in human welfare. In the whole chapter you just have to know about the different microbes and how the different microbes are used in different fields like household, industrial, sewage, biofertilizer and all. Okay, just go through it and study. Thank you.